In cybersecurity, even the most fortified systems can fall prey to sophisticated attacks. On February 21, 2025, Bybit, a major cryptocurrency exchange, suffered a breach that led to the loss of approximately $1.5 billion in assets. The attack has been attributed to the Lazarus Group, a North Korean state-sponsored hacking collective. Here's how Lazarus executed the attack. The breach began when malicious JavaScript was injected into Safe Wallet, a critical custody solution used by Bybit. One of the developers unknowingly pushed the compromised script into production, allowing the attackers to plant their exploit. The injected code specifically targeted Bybit's multisig wallet, but it only altered transactions if the signer was on a predefined list, the multisig owners themselves. Once triggered, the script modified the executeTransaction function, changing how transactions were processed. Instead of executing a standard call, it switched the operation to delegatecall, redirecting execution to the attacker's contract. This allowed them to manipulate the safe contract's storage structure, specifically its first storage slot, which defines the masterCopy, the contract that controls all logic and execution. With masterCopy now pointing to a malicious contract, the attackers had full control. They executed functions like sweepETH and sweepETH, draining the funds directly from Bybit's wallets and making off with $1.5 billion. A supply chain attack like this underscores the importance of secure deployment processes, strict code audits, and runtime monitoring to prevent similar exploits in the future.